crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and it is Mail Call Tuesday. So when I got home late yesterday and checked on the front porch, I actually found some goodies sitting and waiting for me. And these are goodies that John has been waiting for quite a while. In fact, honestly, John kind of forgot that he ordered these. So, what we have decided to do moving forward is as we approach 2026, we are going to start printing and keeping copies of things that John orders. So, John will be able to see those and John will know when things should be arriving and when things should be coming. So, maybe he doesn't duplicate orders and duplicate projects, and if he does, he does. You know, it is what it is. Life is too short. I'm not going to sweat it. But I will tell you, I have realized that at my age, I don't quite remember things as well as I used to, or I've just got so much on me, it's too difficult to keep up with, or I just so fell in love with it and just needed two of them anyway. So let's jump in and look and see what is in the mailbag today. This is from Judy's Fab Stash, which is a shop up in Washington State. And it is probably one of those things that you're going to say, oh, yeah, we know John can never have enough of that. Now, you might be surprised to know that it looks like fabric, because I know you all have to admit, I am not doing the shopping sprees like I used to. I'm absolutely not bringing home the bulk of stuff that I used to, but I still am out there getting her done. So let's take a look at what is in the package. Oh my goodness, guys. So first up, it says your purchase made my day. I hope this package brightens yours. So how cute a label is that? Excuse me. So that is adorbs, right? And now let's break in and see what is in here. This is the Cool Vibrations Quilt Kit featuring gray work and true colors by none other than Tula Pink, right? So, guys, I have decided to take the plunge, and I did purchase this pattern and this kit from Tula because I just absolutely could not stand it anymore, and I did absolutely want to get this. So, this is the Cool Vibrations Quilt Kit. It is featuring the gray work and the true colors by Tula Pink. Techniques require fussy cutting, and thanks to my friend Russ over on Quilt Meets World, I know what fussy cutting is because I remember the first time somebody said, I think it was Russ, said something about you need to fussy cut that. And I was like, I have no idea what you're talking about. So I'm still new, right? It's only been 3 years and I have done a lot of things over that time, but nothing to get me where I'm at. But that's okay. I know what fussy cutting is. She says this is an advanced beginner quilt. So we'll see. It does finish out 81.5 by 81.5. And the blocks finish at 16 by 16. And the design itself is by Stacy Day. So I am super, super excited. If you've not seen this, if you've not seen this pattern, guys, you need to go out and check this out. My plan is to, starting in January, once a week or maybe once every other week, I'll either do a live or I may just do a recording. But the plan is to try to do a block a week or a block every other week. At the end of the day, there are, how many blocks did I tell you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, right? 16 blocks. So it'll take either 16 or 32 weeks to do this. But that's the only way I am going to get this quilt done is by doing a bite at a time. I can absolutely not do this any other way. If I try to do this as like my next project, it's just not going to happen. But guys, I mean, guys, look how gorgeous this Tula pink fabric is. If you have not seen this gray work line in person, you have not done yourself justice. Run, don't walk to your favorite quilting store and take a look. Unfortunately, we only have one store out in our area. We have 6 quilting stores, and only one carries the Tula pink line, and they don't carry all of the line. So it gets to be a little disappointing. But I mean, look at the sea lions, or it may be a walrus. Um, I mean, the colors in here, just those colors with all that black and gray background. I mean, guys, this is just absolutely beautiful. Look at that wolf and tell me that Tula doesn't think about the attention to detail when she puts those characters together. But to add that pop of color around all of these animals and that is just too, this is probably the sea lion. And then look at this parrot. I mean, it's just, this is just going to be, at the end of the day, this is going to be a beautiful, beautiful quilt. And it came with a ton of fabric. So it does have all the gray work line, right? So it does have all the grays and the blacks and all of that. But then it's got the pops of color that's going to be there. I mean, look at this and consider that's that border fabric, right? And I think this is the backing, if I'm not mistaken. And then I'm not sure about this one, but I am super excited. I can't wait to start on Cool Vibrations. I definitely will want to take my time in that. This will be the first Tula Pink project that John has actually worked on. I do have a couple of others that I want to get to as well, but it's I'm going to make it very simple, and hopefully one of these will turn out at the quality level that they need to be, so John could even consider entering those into a quilt show. And maybe this may be the backing fabric that I bought. Yeah, this absolutely may be the backing fabric. So I am so psyched, guys, so super excited that my Gray Works fabric has finally arrived. I have been waiting since October, right? This was supposed to come out sometimes during the month of October. We're in the middle of December, and I'm just now getting mine. So I'm not sure what the delay was with this shop. It is what it is at the end of the day. I've got it. It's not like I was going to rush and start this project, but it is one that I am anxious to get to. I will absolutely be sharing the building of the blocks as I work on those. It says it's advanced beginner. It does look to be more of a complicated design to me, but also at the same time, I think it's one that is going to be a lot of fun. But I am definitely going to have to put my thinking hat on, take my time, walk through each piece, and not worry about getting it all done. I want to build out all 16 blocks the way they should be, put some real attention to detail in there, and then move back to actually doing good, pure quality work on my first real Tula project. So guys, thanks for dropping in. Thanks for giving me just a few minutes of your day to talk about my excitement, my elation. We'll call this an early birthday present to John, because John's been good this year. John's done a lot of the right things he should have done, and he is absolutely not getting coal in his stocking. And I hope you're not either. Hope you all are having an amazing week. I hope things are going your way. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified each and every time we go live or post something new, hit that bell. Please give us a thumbs up down in the by the comments. Give us your comments. We try to respond to each and every one of those. And we look to continue to grow our presence around social media and the YouTube family. And each of you as subscribers to our channel mean a lot. You all have become an important part of our family and for what we do, and we appreciate each and every one of you. So guys, happy birthday to me, Merry Christmas, all that good stuff, and as always, until next time, happy crafting.